case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1962 case of Estate of Holtz v. Commissioner, the United States Tax Court was faced with determining whether transfers made by Leon Holtz to a trust were completed gifts subject to gift tax. Leon had established a trust in 1953 and 1955, which allowed for distributions to him during his life, with discretion granted to the trustee to pay as much principal as necessary for his welfare. However, it was unclear whether these transfers should be considered complete gifts for gift tax purposes. The lawsuit came about because the Provident Tradesmen's Bank and Trust Company, as the executor under Leon's will, filed gift tax returns for Leon for the calendar years 1953 to 1955. The bank also acted as the sole trustee for the trust, giving them discretion over the distribution of principal to Leon. The key issue in the case was whether these transfers constituted completed gifts, which would trigger gift taxes. Various court cases, such as Estate of Christiana K. Graham, Estate of John J. Toller, Alice Spalding Paolozzi, and Sarah Gilkey Vander Weel, established that a transfer in trust is considered complete if the settlor relinquishes control over the property enough to make it irrevocable. Furthermore, the trustee's discretionary power to invade corpus must be governed by an external standard that a court can enforce to ensure compliance with the trust agreement's terms, and the trustee's power to invade must be unrestricted. In this case, Leon created the trust because he had difficulty managing the property and was concerned about not having enough funds to cover his expenses. He and the trustee agreed that principal could be distributed whenever his needs justified it. The respondent argued that the trustee would not need to use much of the trust's corpus, as Leon was wealthy. However, evidence showed that Leon had given away most of his property when he established the trust. As a result, the court ruled in favor of the petitioner. The court ultimately decided that the gift tax deficiency assessed against the estate, due to transfers made by Leon Holtz to the trust, was incorrect. Therefore, the estate was not required to pay the gift taxes assessed by the commissioner. The ruling demonstrated that a transfer in trust may only be considered a complete gift if specific requirements are met, including the settlor relinquishing control and the trustee's discretion being governed by an external standard.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.